A busy month. Part 1. Birds and their nests. Introduction. In this video, we will learn about birds and their nests. Like every other day, Zia is sitting at her table and studying. Bobo is also sitting near her. While studying, Zia suddenly hears the sound of birds chirping.
Huh? Bobo, can you hear that? Let's see where this sound is coming from.
When Zia looks out the window, she notices that several birds are sitting on the tree outside.
Wow! There are so many birds here. Look, Bobo. There is also a bird's nest on the tree.
Then suddenly, Zia's grandpa comes into her room.
Zia, what are you looking at?
I am looking at the birds outside, Grandpa.
Oh, really? Let me also take a look.
Grandpa looks out the window.
Oh, Zia, the birds are so beautiful. There are many birds' nests near my house too.
That must be so nice, Grandpa. Then you must know a lot about birds' nests.
Absolutely, Zia.
So Grandpa, do all the birds live in similar nests?
No, all the birds make different kinds of nests.
But Grandpa, how do birds make their nests? They don't even have hands like us.
Yes, they certainly do not have hands like us. That is why they make their homes with the help of their beaks.
Oh, I see.
Do you know, Zia? Last year, while going to the market, I saw several stones on the roadside. And an Indian robin had laid eggs in the empty spaces between those stones.
Have you ever seen an Indian robin?
So, was that an Indian robin's nest?
Yes, Zia, there was a nest made up of grass. And to make the nest comfortable, delicate branches of plants, roots, wool, hair and cotton were also spread over it.
Grandpa, do all the birds make nests with such soft things?
No, Zia, the crows use wooden branches and iron wires to make their nests. They build their nests high up on a tree. And do you know, Zia, the koel bird doesn't even make its own nest.
So, where does she lay eggs?
Do you know where a koel lays eggs?
The koel bird lays its eggs in the crow's nest, and the crow takes care of the eggs along with its own children.
Huh? Is that true? The koel is very clever then.
Yes, that is true.
Zia then starts thinking about something.
What happened, Zia?
Grandpa, there is a pigeon's nest in the balcony of your house. So, does it mean that pigeons make their nests in our houses?
Do you also think that the pigeons make their nests in our houses?
Sometimes, Zia, but most of the pigeons build their nests in old and deserted buildings. And the sparrow also builds its nest anywhere. It can be above the cupboard, behind the mirror, or on top of the wall of the house.
Oh wow! Then we can see them every day.
Yes, we can see them, but we shouldn't disturb them. Zia, there is also a hanging nest, which is built by a bird named sunbird.
A hanging nest? How is it made?
Have you heard about the hanging nest?
To make their hanging nests, the sunbird uses hair, fine grass, thin twigs, dried leaves, tree trunks, cloth rags, and even spider webs.
Grandpa, birds have to work very hard to build their houses. Unlike us, the things which they need to build their houses are not available in the shops.
Haha, what you said is absolutely correct. Building the nest is only the beginning of their hard work. Raising their children and taking care of them in those nests are way more difficult tasks.
Grandpa, today I learned a lot about birds. Now I am thinking of seeing the nest on that tree once.
Of course, go take a look, but don't bother them.
Okay, Grandpa. Come on, Bobo. Let's go out and see the nest.
Zia and Bobo step outside to see the bird's nest. Summary. In this video, we learned about birds and their nests. In the next video, we will learn about the use of birds' feet and beaks. We will also learn about the different types of teeth of various animals.